Hello and welcome to another ROFFS weekly ocean conditions update in the Gulf of Mexico for the week of September 20th, 2022. We're looking at an ocean color image from yesterday, Monday the 19th. Actually, it's a combination from Sunday the 18th and Monday the 19th here, as it lets you see the water masses a lot more as the temperatures are still hot in the afternoon, and the breaks in the SST are not as strong as they are in the coming months in the fall and winter. Of note, this clockwise rotating loop current eddy here, centered out towards areas southeast of Green Canyon, south of the Mississippi Canyon, has begun to slightly drift to the west over the past week. Now, it still is bringing a lot of green water out offshore to the southeast along its northeastern side. Still a lot of green water covering the Mississippi Canyon out to the dump site. But as this eddy has started to drift west, the loop current has started to push back further north, which is good for the conditions in this area in the northeastern Gulf of Mexico, off of Cape San Blas over to the DeSoto Canyon, out towards the spur, the double nipple, the steppes region. You have two or three eddies. I say two or three. There's one counterclockwise rotating eddy here. There's one counterclockwise rotating eddy here, and I believe there's another one in here. It's harder to see. But the thing is, now that the loop current has pushed further north, these series of eddies is connected a little bit to this blue water from the loop current, and is starting to pull some of this cleaner water up in here, and you do have some pockets of cleaner blended blue water east of Outwater Valley towards the Lloyd's Ridge, east of the double nipple, southern DeSoto Canyon, and in towards the steppes area over towards the Viosa Knoll area. You also have some flow to the northwest of some of this blended water over the ledges, southwest of Cape San Blas, over towards the wings and the squiggles, north of the unexploded ordnance, and over towards the nipple and the elbow, which will provide you some areas to fish if you cannot make it further offshore to these areas. But the bottom line is, in the eastern Gulf, conditions do look like they're improving a little bit. The water's cleaning up a little bit. The further north this loop current pushes up, the further west this eddy pushes. That'll allow this blue water to come up in these areas, and hopefully conditions improve over the next couple of weeks even further. To the west of Green Canyon, you have a counterclockwise eddy in here, a clockwise eddy in here. You still have a lot of blue water pushing in over 50, 100 fathoms, good bottom areas, rigs. West of Green Canyon over towards the Flower Gardens area, lots of blue water, favorable conditions. To the further west, off the Texas-Mexico border, Brazos-Santiago Pass, offshore of Aransas, still have very favorable conditions as well. You have a lot of blue water coming up, pushing in over the ledges up north of the Camel's Head towards Colt 45. You have a large clockwise rotating eddy offshore, centered southwest of the dump site, with another eddy here southeast at Aransas Pass, which is pulling some of this water that this larger eddy is circulating. It's pulling it up in here over the east breaks, inshore towards Aransas Bank, Hospital Rock, Big Southern area, over the ledges and good bottom. Very favorable conditions all the way off of Aransas Pass out to the east breaks, off to the dump site. You have a pretty nice edge. There should still be a lot of yellowfin tuna, wahoo, mahi, and even white and blue marlin in there. That's about it for this week. Short and sweet, a little bit quick. We will come at you again next week with another update. Stay safe out there. Good fishing this weekend. Good luck to all our clients fishing. Remember, you can always call the office 321-723-5759 to order, as these conditions are always changing. You can also go on our website 24/7 and order as well, www.roffs.com. Don't forget to follow us for frequent updates on our social media platforms, Facebook and Instagram at ROFFS Fishing. That's it for this week. Talk to you again next week. Have a good rest of the weekend and that's it. Thank you.